And my third question is for Omer, and just set a bit of a background for that. जैसे अभी मैंने discuss किया कि many of us, when we grow from being dependent on platforms into offering our own products and productized services, then we need payment gateway solutions. But in the local market, the onboarding process for someone to go and get a credit card processing gateway to sell products and services online is dismal, downright dismal, because unless you have enough revenue to show, most merchant account providers don't entertain you, unfortunately. So what do you think, how can our financial sector finally step up to help these freelancers as well as early stage startups and agencies to capitalize on the global economy by facilitating them with efficient payment solutions with minimal onboarding frictions?
Sure, thanks Harun. I think in terms of our role in helping the freelancers grow here in Pakistan, I think there are two things that are a challenge even today. One is the fact that it was mentioned that opening up a bank account is still an issue for freelancers. I think that needs to be sorted, and it's not a huge problem. I think it's just an education issue when it comes to different branch managers or operation managers. It's literally that granular, in which one branch manager or operation manager is aware of what a freelancer is. So if you're lucky enough to walk into that branch, they will open up that bank account very quickly. If you go to another bank branch, this person, the branch manager, operation manager, account manager, whatever, they don't know what freelancers are, so they make excuses for not opening up a bank account. Technically, it's illegal almost to not allow a Pakistani to open up a bank account, right? You could just open an Asan account if you're really, really confused. But because of their lack of education, they come up with these excuses, and they also confuse the freelancers. Second is obviously what you alluded to, is that freelancers do not have an easy way of bringing valuable FDI into Pakistan. So when you keep hearing that पेपाल नहीं है पाकिस्तान में, पेपाल नहीं है पाकिस्तान में, उसमें पेपाल से ज़्यादा आपको कॉन्सेंट्रेट इस चीज़ पे करना चाहिए कि कोई ढंग का तरीका नहीं है पाकिस्तान में पैसे मंगवाने का. ढंग के से मतलब ये है कि रीजनेबल कॉस्ट में. सो पेपाल ना होना इज स्टिल अ चैलेंज. इट्स नॉट लाइक वी कैन ओवरकम दैट ब्रांड which is a worldwide brand, and the client trusts it a lot more than any other sort of platform. But still, if you can come up with a payment gateway that freelancers can onboard themselves quickly, easily, within minutes rather than months or at all, I think that you will solve a lot of that problem in which you keep hearing PayPal nahi hai Pakistan mein, because it will allow freelancers to invoice their customers abroad, and they can pay them through debit or credit cards, international debit or credit cards. And this money can then translate into balances in freelancers' accounts. So I think these are the two things that we need to concentrate on immediately. And then I think the third part would be lending, because working capital loans are very, very important for freelancers. Just simply credit cards are also very important for freelancers, and I think we should concentrate on this segment to grow our lending book.
Absolutely.